Welcome to your night shift at Shawarma Kiosk. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Great! Now open the window. Let everyone know you're ready. Before serving, be sure to read the safety rules. They're super friendly, just like we are. And while you wait, feel free to watch TV or listen to the radio. Music keeps the mood up. Friendly reminder, don't look into their eyes. It's more fun that way. Have a wonderful shift. Smile, serve, and everything will be just perfect. They're already on their way.
Long day on the road. Just a moment, it'll be ready. All right, I'll wait. What's wrong with you? Here we are at the Shawarma Kiosk trying to place an order. Hopefully this place has some good reviews.
Yeah, because last time you gave somewhere.
Well, that's awkward.
We came all the way here for nothing.
That's content, I guess.
Don't experience 5 stars.
4.5.
Nicholas.